Here we are on the south side, and you can see where we've been working on doing the eaves on the west side, and I'm waiting for that paint to dry, so I thought I would start. We had done a little bit around the meter base about 7 years ago, put the electric in, but other than that, this is going to be the first on the south side of the main house. And this side has taken a beating. Give you a close-up of the siding. You can see checkered. Still solid, still solid. Most of the paint's gone. We're going to be scraping it off. We're going to be re-nailing every spot, adding another nail. And these are the good siding nails. I think they're by Maze. Yeah, Maze. Love these nails. Very, very good. Really like them. They have a blunt tip so they don't split, and they're rigid. They're ribbed so they stick. They really stick to it. You can see the design up here. Beautiful designs. We're going to gently scrape. We've gently scraped here, and then we need to, after we nail, we're going to caulk along these edges. All these will be sealed after the scraping. All these spots, all these will be caulked, both the old heads and the new heads, and then we will start priming. And I hope to really wrap up this area today yet, and in between paint coats I'm going to start on this one. You can see how the paint just going to come right off really easy. Okay, so that's about all I have to say, except for it is a ways down, but the lift is really making it handy. And the other cool thing is we did these windows about 3 years ago. We spent most of the winter and we did 63 windows. So we still have moldings to put around them, but the windows themselves are looking in good shape. If we need to, we'll touch up, but they're really looking good. And except for this one, we didn't do anything with that one, so we're going to have to do that. And getting up in there is really going to be a challenge, but we may have to put a brush on a handle to get some of that. But scraping it, who knows? Might have to have a ladder on the lift. We'll figure out something. Something was chewing there. I don't like that. First I've seen that. So we're going to have to do some caulking. I don't know why the squirrels would do that. I'm going to have to blame it on them, though. Okay, time to get back at it.